Nahihirapan ba kayo mag-manage ng online meetings? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's start with Zoom. Here's how to schedule a meeting. All right, so first, what we have to do is download the Zoom application. So we go to Google, type in Zoom download. Look for, so marami kang options na makikita dito. If you're using Windows, you can click on this. If you're using Mac, click on this, Android, etc., etc. So in my case, I'm using Windows, so I will click on this one. It'll automatically take me to this page, and ito, andito, if you wanna check your system requirements, click on this one at the bottom. Ayan. So, ayan, kung ano yung mga supported operating systems ng ginagamit ng Windows, na makikita nyo dyan, yung mga tablet devices, kung tablet yung gamit nyo, etc., etc. So, sabi dito, ang mga requirements lang is internet connection, speakers, microphone, webcam, ganyan. Tapos, andito naman sa baba yung supported operating systems. Okay? So, ang gamit ko is Windows 11. So, andito ko. So, babalik ako ngayon. Babalik ako. So, I'll go back. And then, I'll click on this 64-bit. Automatically, mapupunta siya sa downloads folder, which is this one. It says, yan, na-download ko na kasi siya kanina. So, may one na siya. So, this is the second one. So, I'll just click on this, left click, and then automatically ma-install na siya. And once it's installed, I can just easily use it, link it up with my Gmail account. Kasi since I already have an account, if not, then you can easily sign up and register. All right, so once you've logged in, mapupunta kayo sa page na to, and then you click on Launch Zoom. Ayan, open Zoom meetings. And it'll take you to the actual app that was downloaded on your desktop. So, ayan na siya. Ayan. So, if I wanna join a meeting, click ko to, usually makaka-receive ka ng meeting ID, so you'll just put it in there. Or if you wanna create a new meeting, you click on this. Start with video, or use my personal meeting ID, copy invitation. Once it's copied, you just have to key in Control V for paste, and it'll automatically paste yung link, yung meeting link, which you can share with your friends, colleagues, ganyan. Or otherwise, you can also use the calendar because it's automatically linked to your calendar. You can click on this if you want to schedule. So, for example, I want to schedule something tomorrow at 10:30 till 11. Just mind you, hanggang 40. Itong free version is hanggang 40 minutes only. So, if I want to put, say, till 11:30, ayan na, sabi niya, your Zoom Workplace basic plan has a 40-minute time limit on meetings. So, para safe tayo at hindi na tayo magbayad, keep lang natin siya sa 30 minutes. Yeah? So, for example, I want to invite myself as subscriptions. 94 Gmail. Ayan. Ayan, isi-send lang natin, and then makaka-receive ngayon yung recipient ng email with the Zoom link, and mapupunta ngayon siya dun sa calendar ng recipient, Pati sa calendar mo na rin, yung calendar makikita mo siya sa Outlook or sa email, sa Google Calendar mo. And then, ayun, pagka malapit na yung email, mano-notify ka, bibigyan ka niya ng reminder na mag-zoom ka na. Ayun, that's how easy it is, really. So, ayun, try naman natin yung Google Meet. Well, Google Meet is also simple. Let me show you how to set up a link. Alright, now it's time to explore Google Meet. So, si Google Meet is para siyang si Zoom, pero si Google yung may-ari. So, we don't even have to download the app on our desktop. Pwede natin siyang gawin online lang. Kaya ako to gustong-gusto kasi it's so easy, super convenient. Wala ka nang kailangan gawin. So, ayun, if may Google account ka, makikita mo siya dito sa yung 9 dots on the top right corner. You click on this icon, yung parang video, Google Meet. Click on it. If mag-a-attend ka ng meeting at may link ka na, binigay sa yung link, you can just paste the link here and click join. All right? But if you want to organize a meeting, you click on this one. If you want to do it later, then click on this one. You'll find your meeting link. Copy this, click. And paste mo lang sa kung saan mo gustong i-paste and share it with dun sa gusto mong i-meet. Alright? If you want naman to start a meeting instantly, you can click on this one in the middle, start an instant meeting. Voila, ayan na. So you'll find the link that you can again share with the recipient dito over here. So, next na natin. And then, i-share mo na dun sa kamit mo. And then automatically, makikita mo na siya dyan sa screen mo. Alright? So let's leave this call na and then try the other method naman. Return to home screen. If you want to create a meeting via Google Calendar, you can also do that by clicking this one at the bottom. Ayan, i-fill in mo lang yung details. Say test meeting, invite. Let's put January 8, say 11:30 to 12:30. So 1 hour siya. So unlike Zoom, pwede siya beyond 40 minutes. Yeah, with a free plan. Ayan, so automatically, andyan na yung Google Meet link niya. So kapag ka na-receive to ng recipient mo, makikita niya, he or she can just click on this link and ayun na, mag-meet na kayo sa mata. Ayan. So, i-add nyo lang yung email ad dito ng gusto nyong kamit and then save it and it'll automatically go to your calendar. So, sabi natin, ito, test meeting invite. Ayan. So, ayan. Makikita na natin siya sa calendar natin. Let's try how join Google Meet. There. You see? Let's try it. Join anyway. Ayan, naka-join na tayo. Super easy, no? So, kayang-kaya natin to. See? Ang dali lang, di ba? Practice using these tools para mas comfortable kayo sa virtual meetings. Share your experiences naman sa comments below. Alright? Bye!